Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about topic 1.1 Meaning, Scope and Development of Anthropology. This is the first topic in a paper 1 syllabus of Anthropology optional. This video is presented by me, Aman Yadav. So let's get started. Anthropology at its core is derived from two Greek words, anthropos meaning humans and logos meaning study. So quite literally, it's the science of humans. But don't be fooled by this simplicity. Anthropology is so much more than just studying human beings. It's about exploring everything that makes us who we are, biologically, socially, and culturally. Anthropologists aren't just concerned with humans in isolation. We look at humans in groups. Whether it's a small indigenous tribe in Amazon rainforest or modern day urban dwellers in New York City. Anthropologists seek to understand the behaviors, beliefs, and practices that define these groups. Anthropology, being the study of human beings, combines in one discipline the approaches of both the biological and the social sciences. Its problem centers on the one hand on humans as a member of the animal kingdom and on the other on their behavior as a member of society. Anthropology inquires into these diversities with a curious mind. It underlines the fact that diversity is cultural, while biologically we belong to one species. You see, anthropology is unique. While a psychologist might focus on mental conditions and an economist on wealth production, anthropology takes a broader approach. It looks at everything: our biology, our social structures, our languages, and our histories. Essentially, we are interested in all aspects of human life. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine a physiologist studying an individual's diet. They might examine how nutrients impact health. But as an anthropologist, we would ask, why does this group of people choose to eat certain foods? What cultural traditions are tied to their diets? How has the environment shaped what's available to them? This holistic approach helps us understand not just the individual, but the entire community and its place in the broader human story.
So before we move forward in this video, I have something very important to tell you, so please pay attention. Anthroholic has launched its complete course on anthropology optional. So Anthroholic is a platform which provides you holistic education in anthropology. So you can find foundational course, you can find test series, you can find daily answer writing program, you can find all the ebooks, previous year question papers, everything on the platform. So to enroll in that, you can either reach out to us on WhatsApp, you can call us on the number given below, you can find all the links in the description, and you can reach out to us anytime. We also provide 24/7 availability of the mentors, so you can communicate with us anytime regarding any question that you have related to anthropology optional. Along with that, there are a lot of free content on our website, thousands of articles, highly researched by PhD students. So you can use all of that content in your answers or in your notes to enhance them. So use the platform to your advantage. Either you go with free content or you go with paid content. Everything is available to you. You can use it, and to enroll now, you can just contact us from the link in the description below. Thanks for this, and I'll see you in the course.
Now, let's dive into the development of anthropology. Although it's a relatively new discipline, its roots trace back centuries. In fact, the Greek historian Herodotus, often regarded as the first anthropologist, was one of the earliest to study human cultures and societies. But formal anthropology, as we know, it didn't emerge until the 19th century. T.K. Penniman, in his book 100 Years of Anthropology, written in 1935, breaks down its development into 4 distinct periods. I love how he does this because it shows us how our understanding of human societies has evolved over time. In the formulatory period, the longest and the earliest stage, anthropologists like Herodotus were laying the groundwork. Fast forward to the convergent period in the 20th century, and the scholars began expressing divergent views about the biological and social aspect of humans. This was a time of great intellectual debates. Constructive period. During this period, anthropology started as an independent discipline in many universities. Different branches of anthropology like ethnology, prehistory, social anthropology, and physical anthropology were also evolved. Then came the critical period. This is when anthropologists really began theorizing culture. A school of thought such as functionalism and structuralism emerged, with influential figures trying to explain why humans behave the way they do. Isn't it amazing how far we have come? And these are school of thoughts which we will discuss in our syllabus in topic 6, Theories of Anthropology. Today, anthropology has grown even further and it's dispelled many myths. Remember when people used to think that the certain tribes were savage or barbarous? Well, anthropological studies proved that these so called savage societies had rich, complex cultures just like any other. This brings us to an important point. Anthropology teaches us that all behaviors is learned, not inherited. Culture isn't something we are born with, it's something we acquire. And that, my friends, is a powerful realization because it means we can always learn, adapt, and improve our societies. Now, let's have a look at the development of anthropology in India. As we explore the development of anthropology in India, we can break it down into 4 distinct phases. First, we have formative phases, that is 1774 to 1990, where the primary focus was on studying tribal life as the vast diversity of customs across India. During this time, anthropologists were fascinated by the rich cultural practices of indigenous tribes. Next, we move to constructive phase from 1920 to 1949. A major milestone in this era was the introduction of anthropology in the postgraduate curriculum at Calcutta University, making the formal academic recognition of the discipline in India. Then comes the analytical phase, 1950 to 1990, a period of significant growth in collaborative and analytical research. During these years, scholars worked together to conduct deep analysis and expand the scope of anthropological studies. Finally, we enter the evaluative phase, 1990 to present day. This modern phase has seen the development of new areas and subfields within anthropology, reflecting the evolving nature of the discipline as it addresses contemporary issues and emerging fields of study. Now, some of you might be wondering, what can I do with anthropology? Well, the career opportunities are vast. You can dive into academic research, work with museums, contribute to non-profits, or even get involved in corporate user experience research. The skills you learn in anthropology are highly versatile and applicable to numerous fields. Imagine being a user experience researcher at a tech company. You'll apply your anthropological knowledge to study how people interact with devices and software. Why do certain features appeal to users in one culture but not another? This understanding helps to improve product designs to better serve diverse communities. To wrap up, anthropology is much more than just a science of human beings. It's the lens through which we can see the connections between our past, our present, and even our future. Whether you are interested in the biological aspect of human evolution or the social dynamics of modern communities, anthropology offers a wealth of insights. So, I invite you all to stay curious, keep exploring, and most importantly, never stop asking questions. As an anthropologist, it's a job to keep seeking knowledge because understanding humanity is, after all, a lifelong journey. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please make sure to hit the subscribe button for more such videos. If you want to connect with us or talk to us, you can message us on any of these platforms. Our Instagram handle is @Anthroholic, or you can scan the QR code to message us on WhatsApp. Link for everything is given in the description below. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.